Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn your Windows 11 operating system into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So basically, I am going to show you how you can enable a Wi-Fi hotspot on your Windows 11 operating system, and then I am going to show you how you can connect any device using that hotspot which you have created on your Windows 11. So, let's get started. For this, you have to right-click on the Start menu and then open Settings. Alternatively, you can click on Start and then search for Settings in the search bar to open it. After opening Settings, you will see a window like this in front of you. Here, you need to click on Network and Internet. After coming here, you will see the Mobile Hotspot option. Click on it. After opening Mobile Hotspot, you will see an interface like this. Here, you will find the option Share My Internet Connection from. If you have multiple internet connections, you can select from here which internet connection to turn into a mobile hotspot. Above that, you'll find a toggle button to turn on or off your mobile hotspot. After that, there are network properties where you will find the device name and password. If you want to change the device name and password, click on the Edit button on the right side. A small window will open in front of you, where you can easily change the network name and password. Let's change it. Instead of the network name, I will type TechAI, and in place of password, I will type 123456789. After that, click on the Save button and it will be saved. Let's now turn on our mobile hotspot in Windows 11 and see if another device can connect to it. Here I have an Android mobile phone which I will connect to this hotspot to show you. Let's click on Wi-Fi. You can see the hotspot we created is showing here. Let's click on it. Now I will type the password here. So, I click on the Show Password and verify my correct password. After that, I click on Join. You can see my Android mobile phone is connected to the TechAI hotspot. Let me bring it a little closer. Let's now search for something on Google to see if it is working or not. Let's open Google and search for wallpapers for mobile. You can see it's working very smoothly. Now, let's go back to our computer screen. Here you can see it is showing how many devices are connected to this hotspot. Also providing some basic information about the connected devices like device name, IP address, and physical address. To turn off your mobile hotspot, click on this toggle button again. So friends, this is the simple way through which you can use the internet of your PC on your mobile phone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, TechAI, for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.